areas which were occupied by closely packed tents and other temporary accommodation are now empty. Well, Mohamed Taha is with me in the studio once again from BBC Arabic. Good morning to you, Mohamed. First of all, the International Criminal Court, ICC, reaction to what's happening there, your thoughts?
So the International Criminal Court is trying to do something maybe that the International Court of Justice did not manage to do, which is considering what's Israel doing in Gaza is a genocide, or stopping the attack on Rafah. So now the prosecutor in the ICC is trying to put a case that all of these people involved in the war should have an arrest warrant.
On both sides, it might. You know, you've mentioned the Israeli leadership, but also in Hamas as well.
Indeed, but what does that mean? I think it doesn't mean much during the war, because, you know, each party is really solid in what they are doing and the fighting, but it might affect their position that they might have some flexibility on negotiations and reaching a truce. But after war, yes, Mr. Netanyahu and Gallant will face lots of troubles and lots of people seeking them in court, and also in the Hamas side. The only person that he might be affected is Ismail Haniyeh, who is staying in Qatar at the moment.
Just quickly as well, looking at what the UN is saying about displaced people in Gaza itself. We looked at satellite images just now of this huge movement from Rafah. What are you hearing?
Indeed, now the situation of fighting is really intensifying. There is massive fighting in Rafah and shelling from the Israeli side. The only hospital that in the eastern Rafah, Yusuf al-Ma'madani, stopped working. The other hospital, Al-Kuwait hospital, has lots of people and injured people. And also the fighting in Jabalia is still in its peak.
Mohamed, thank you so much. Mohamed Taha there from BBC Arabic with the latest on that.